Lawsuits brought by President Trump and his campaign after the election. What are judges saying about them? Tonight, from Michigan to Pennsylvania to Nevada, the judges have been clear, and the messages and emails sent out to the president's supporters saying we're closer than ever and it's happening. Where is that money going? Here's Terry Moran.
For all the sound and fury on Twitter and TV from President Trump and his allies about election fraud,
then we have proof that I can't disclose yet.
In the courts where evidence gets scrutinized, authenticated, and tested, they're getting hammered. More than 24 cases have been brought, and no finding of fraud from any judge, state or federal, Republican or Democratic. Case after case tossed out, and the judges strikingly dismissive of the claims. In Michigan, Republicans claimed they had evidence the count should be stopped. The judge wasn't having it.
I heard somebody else say something. Tell me why that's not hearsay. Come on now.
In Nevada, Republican lawyers claimed their observers weren't close enough. The judge snapped, "At what point does this get ridiculous?" In Pennsylvania, Trump's lawyers claimed their observers were being blocked, then admitted they were in the room. The judge, a Republican appointee, firing back, "I'm sorry, then what's your problem?" Still, the Trump campaign is bombarding supporters, sending hundreds of emails looking for money, claiming progress. This election is far from over. We're gaining momentum. We're closer than ever. It's happening. But a chunk of that money went to retire the president's campaign debt, and now the fine print reads that 60% of each contribution first to Save America. That's Trump's own new political action committee.
And Terry Moran with us live tonight as well. And Terry, as the president fights in court, he's also refusing to begin any transition work, as we reported earlier here. And tonight, ABC News also learning that the head of the General Services Administration, a Trump appointee, she would be the one to actually get the ball rolling on any transition. There's news on her tonight?
There is, David. Emily Murphy is the head of the GSA, charged by federal law with pulling the trigger to start the transition, and she won't do it, apparently because of these court cases. But we have learned that she is making inquiries about employment outside the government in 2021. So either she's hedging her bets or she can count. David?
All right, Terry Moran tonight. Terry, thank you. Next.